Hey guys, so this is probability equation questions, question number 2. Right, there are some red counters and some blue counters in a bag. The ratio of red counters to blue counters is 4:1. Two counters are removed at random. The probability that both the counters taken are red is 22/35. Work how many blue counters are in the bag. That should be work out. Good job it's not an English paper. Anyway, so let's draw it in so we can visualize. Right, we get the red. There are 4 red. Get the red. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4 for every blue. We could do it again. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 for every blue. So ratio 4:1, there's 5 in total. And how many times does this happen? So we don't know. It could be 1, could be 2, up to n. Right. Probability that both counters taken are red is 22/35. So let's draw our tree. So we'll say this is the probability that's red. This is the probability it's blue. 4 reds, so we'll say 4n, because we don't know how many, over 5 in total. Blue is going to be 1, so it's n over 5n total. Now, we'll draw the second lot. So, this will be red, this will be blue, this will be red, and this will be blue. So if we've already picked a red, we pick another red, 1 less red. So we'll say 4n minus 1 over 5n minus 1. But if we pick a red and then we pick a blue, this will be the first blue. So there's still n blues left. So it's n over 5n minus 1. But let's say we pick a blue first and then we pick a red. It'll be the first red, so there's still 4n reds. So we'll say 4n over 5n minus 1. But if we pick a blue and then we pick another blue, there's going to be 1 less blue. So it'll be n minus 1 over 5n minus 1. But it says probability that both the counters taken are red, so we're only concerned with this section here. So it'll be 4n over 5n times 4n minus 1 over 5n minus 1, and it's going to equal 22/35. So we'll draw that in. It's going to be 4n over 5n times 4n minus 1 over 5n minus 1 equals 22/35. So whenever you have n over n, or anything over anything, or anything over the same thing, it just cancels. So these will cancel, and we can do 4 times this and 5 times this. So 4 times 4n minus 1 over 5 times 5n minus 1. And it equals 22/35. Expand out, so 4 times 4n is going to be 16n minus 4, 4 times minus 1, over 5 times 5n is 25n, 5 times minus 1, minus 5, and it equals 22/35. Now the fractions, we want to get rid of them, so we'll times everything by 25n minus 5, so it cancels here, and it will go up here, 22 times that. And we can times everything by 35 to cancel it here, and times it up here. So we'll have 35 times 16n minus 4 equals 22 times 25n minus 5. Now expand out. So 35 times 16n is gonna be 560n. 35 times minus 4 is going to be minus 140 equals 22 times 25n is going to be 550n. 22 times minus 5 is going to be minus 110. Okay, now we want to clean it up. So if we if we add 550, if we take 550n from both sides, that means it cancels here, and this will turn into 10n. We can add 140 to both sides, so it cancels here, and this becomes positive 30. So 10n equals 30. To get on its n on its own, we'll just divide by 10, everything by 10. So n equals 3. Now it's asking how many blue counters. Well, the ratio is 1, so it's 1 times n. N is 3. There are 3 blue counters. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks a lot. See you in the next question.